Hello, my name's Kerry Lewis and I'm a member of the MrBruff.com writing team. Today I'm going to talk about capital letters. Some people think that capital letters are so easy that they don't need to revise them, but there are 10 uses of the capital letter and it's important that you understand all of them. This is Abel, who's just fixed the printer, and we can summarise when we use capital letters with the phrase Abel prints. Let's look at what each letter stands for. A is for abbreviations. An abbreviation is a short way of writing a word or phrase that can also be written in full. For example, UK is an abbreviation of the United Kingdom, USA, the United States of America, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, and GCSE, General Certificate of Secondary Education. If we're shortening the long name of a country or a well-known organisation, we don't usually have a full stop after each letter. B is for the beginning of a sentence. For example, he's climbing the mountain. L is for languages. This is written in French. E is for emphasis. Sometimes you might write a word in capital letters if you're emphasizing a particular emotion. This is for informal writing only. You wouldn't do this in an English lesson or in an exam. If you do want to express a particularly strong emotion in a formal piece of writing, I would recommend rephrasing your word or sentence. For example, the what in capital letters here could be rephrased as what she asked in astonishment. P is for places or words relating to places. For example, this is the continent of Africa, and if you're from Africa, you're African. R is for religions. For example, Christianity, Buddhism, and Islam. I is the word I. When you're writing about yourself, the word I is always a capital letter. For example, yes, I am working hard. N is for the names of people, places, countries, organisations, days of the week and months. So we have Lottie, London Bridge, Wales, the organisation here is Shell, Sunday and February. T is for titles. This might be the title of a piece of work or an essay. It might also be the titles of books, films, plays and poems. You only capitalise the important words. Usually they're nouns, verbs or adjectives. They're not little words like of, the and unless it's the first word of a title. So from is a small word, but it's capitalised because it's the first letter of the title. But these words, the, of the and of the, they're not capitalised. If you're quoting the titles of books, films, plays and poems, you need to use single inverted commas or quotation marks around them. Alternatively, if you're typing, you can put them in italics. S is for special days. For example, Christmas Day, when Jesus was born. This is an Islamic holiday that marks the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting, and this is the holiest day of the year in the Jewish calendar. To summarise, A is for abbreviations, B is for the beginning of a sentence, L is for languages, and E is for emphasising words in informal writing only. P is for places and words relating to them, R is for religions, I is for the word I, N is for the names of people, places, countries, organisations, days and months. T is the titles, which might be a header or the title of a book, film, play or poem, and S is for special days. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to buy a copy of Mr. Bruff's Guide to Grammar, I've put the link in the description below. In the meantime, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.